Okay, so let's go for the equation of the line passing through these 2 points here. And then the final answer is in this particular form. It doesn't really matter about that because you're going to stick to what you know best, which is either y equals mx plus c or y minus y1 into m of x minus x1. Those two there. You can use one of those. So let's have a look. The equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So first of all, we need to work out the gradient. And the gradient is given with this formula. You just have to choose which point you call point 1 and point 2. Okay, I'm going to call this point 2. So this is y2 here. Just zoom in a little bit there. Let me just get my eraser out there. Wasn't very good. I'm going to call this y2, and this will be x2. This will be x1 and y1. Okay, so I'm going to do it that way around. So let's just go substitute the numbers in the right place. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this will lead me to 13 over negative 11, but I'm just going to call it negative 13 over 11, negative 13 elevenths. Okay, and now I'm just going to go into y equals m x plus c. And so I just need to substitute an xy pair of values that this line satisfies, that this line actually goes through. So this particular line goes through all the points obeying this rule, and I'm going to choose this particular point because it doesn't have any negatives. And so for this particular point, we've got x equals to 3, y equals 12. So we just go and substitute these in place, and then out pops the c. So 12 equals to negative 13 elevenths times by x plus c. 12 equals negative 39 elevenths plus c. So therefore 12 plus 39 elevenths equals to c. And then it's absolutely fine here to go and grab your calculator and get it out. I mean, you can try and do this in your head, okay? But I'm just showing you how long it takes on the calculator. So I'm just getting my calculator out on my laptop, or you can just get out your calculator and do it by hand, basically. And the final answer, we're going to have it as an improper fraction, would be easier. Okay, so I'm just opening it now, and I'm typing in 12 plus, then I'm opening up the fraction button, and that's 39 over 11. And when I press enter, my calculator gives it me as an improper fraction, which is great, because now we just write down an equation: y equals m x plus c. But now it wants in the form ax plus by equals to d. This is called the general form of the straight line. Okay, the general form. You've got the slope intercept, y equals mx plus c, or just y equals mx plus c, and now you've got this general form. So we need to play around with this a little bit. So we're going to take the y equals negative 13x over 11 plus 171 over 11, and the magic trick is to multiply both sides by 11. So I'll have 11 times y here, and I have negative 13x over 11 times 11 plus 171 over 11 times 11. And the point is that the 11s cancel out. We cancel the common denominator there. Okay, so we have 11y here equals negative 13x plus 171. If I add 13x to both sides, I've got 13x plus 11y equals to 171. And now I've got it in the form of what the question asks me about, ax plus by equals d. And when we see the general form, the a and the b and the d are all integers.